Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and only this time, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on this 3 bars icon in the right upper corner, and for some reason it just changed it rotated, but here we've got it properly. So after tapping on the 3 bars icon, we've got this pop-out window, let's say, and on the second position, the second bar is connected with the timer. So we've got 3 options like off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option which you'd like to use, it will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, it will be shown in the shutter button. So now we have to simply tap on it, and from now on our device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, we can also turn off the timer. Just tap on the 3 bars icon again and tap on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.